Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. I hope you all are doing well. Today is 30th of December. It's the second last day of 2021. It's gonna end soon. The year is gonna end soon. Anyways, so today is something special for us armies, and you know what? Today is the birthday of our winter beer. Kim Taeyong. Yeah, this picture is one of my favorite. Look at his gaze. Oh my god. Okay, so now let's see how I celebrated his birthday. I'll be sharing some facts about him with you guys. So firstly, let us start with the meaning of his name. We all know what his name is. It's Kim Tae-hyung. Okay, wait. If someone in Korea wants to call him Big Brother, they will call him Kim Tae-hyung. Kim Tae-hyung. I wondered this every time. What they will call him? Kim Tae-hyung or Kim Tae-hyung? Because in Korean they call big brothers as Hyung. The boys call them and the girls call them Oppa. Anyways, so the meaning of his name, Tae means big and Hyung means prosperity. So Kim Tae-hyung means big prosperity. And this name was given to him by his grandfather. Now the second fact, we all know his stage name is V. Signature pose. But do you know, before debut, he was given two other names too. One is Lex, another one is Six. But they chose V because V stands for victory. So it means he is the victory of Bangtan Sonyeondan. That's why he was given the stage name as V. We all have favorite subjects in school. Like my favorite subjects are maths, chemistry and physical education. But do you know what V's favorite subjects are or were? His favorite subjects were music and physical education, and he hated maths. How many of you hate maths? I love it. Please don't hate maths. Why do you hate maths? It's so good. Don't hate maths. I love maths. He used to love to play saxophone and he learned saxophone too. And he thought of becoming a saxophonist too. A meme coming in my mind. If you don't know the meme, here, check it out.
전 방탄이 아니었으면 저는 색소포니스트.
Anyways, so he thought of becoming a farmer or a saxophonist, but then his eager to sing or his love for singing grew, and he thought of becoming an idol or a singer, and his family always supported him for his career or what he ever wanted to be. And that's how we got our BTS member Kim Taeyong. I'm so glad. We are so glad he chose music because for that we can see him as a member of BTS, and we are so glad to have him as a member of BTS because 7 minus 1 equals to 0. How many of you love to watch K-dramas like me? If you watch K-dramas, you will know that he is not only an idol, he is an excellent actor too. And his K-drama, which I have watched, he has only one K-drama till now, and I'm hoping for the future because I've seen him posting, not him, but I've seen a picture of him and the lead actor of Squid Games. I forgot the name. Oh my god. I've watched Squid Games. I love Squid Games. I'm hoping for them to see in Squid Game season 2 because in the concert too he wore Squid Game costume. Let's hope for the best. Let's hope for another Taeyong K-drama. Do you know Taeyong has some cute habits, and one of them is biting his nails, which I normally do, and you can see the condition of my nails too. Another one is to open his mouth and to say Appa and Amma when he's hurt. He's so cute. He's so cute, please. I have any cute pictures of him? No. When I told cute, I got this picture. I mean, also this picture is so cute. Oh my god. Bring me some more photo cards. Anyways, now let's go to the next fact. So Taeyong is a picky eater and he hates spicy food. I feel so bad for him here. Do you know, V came to be known as the most handsome man by TC Chandler on 2017, 2020 and 2021. Time to flex, armies, time to flex. The last but not the least fact for today is V loves his long and slender fingers the most, and he thinks is the most attractive part of his body. I mean, yeah, his fingers are so long, you mean his fingers are like this. And if you compare his and Jimin's finger, I can see like this. If I compare his and my finger, it will be like this. I mean, my pinky is so short. Anyways, that's it for today.